Oh shit, let's see what came in the mail today. Yeah, it's time for an unboxing video. Alright, it's time to open these bad boys. Again, this has to do nothing with audio. This is just, I guess, an unboxing. I mean, it's for my truck. It needs brakes, so of course it's brakes. But this is the unboxing for the brakes. Let's see if we can get this set up. Come on, buddy. Watch out. Go over there. Go lay down. Come on. Alright. No, watch out. Watch your face. I know. I love you too. No. Go over there. Go over there. Go. Go lay down. Good, thank you. Let's see what we got. Ooh. So we'll start with this little box. See what it is. And this calipers. Or not calipers, brake pads. So I got, what is it, ceramic pads, so I think they're gonna last longer. I paid a little bit extra, so hopefully they do last longer. And then that's the most important part. These guys here. So I got black ones. I thought they were gonna be chrome and slotted, but they didn't go all the way through here, it looks like. Huh. Well, that's alright. I mean, they look cool. Pretty beefy, not gonna lie. I don't even know where to put this real quick. That's one. This is the other. I like the whole black. I think it's zinc. Zinc plated or zinc dipped. I have no idea. Well, that's the black. Something with zinc in it. I think that's gonna probably be the front. It's just a bill. The invoice. And these, of course, the rear. They're a little bit different. They're small guys. Yeah, they're a little bit different on these ones. Oh, that's why. Oh man, this one's massive. But yeah, it's going on 2014 Chevy Silverado. So hopefully this weekend we get started working on these things. So I'll keep you guys posted. I got one more in there. So yeah, like I said, I'll keep you guys posted. This is the unboxing of the brakes, and this weekend we'll work on them. Pretty cool. All right.